हेलो गाइस, आज हम सीखेंगे एक सेंटेंस से 100 सेंटेंस कैसे बनाते हैं। आज हमारे बीच में है छोटा बच्चा। व्हाट इज़ योर नेम?
माय नेम इज़ वैदिक पुनासे।
क्या आप 100 सेंटेंस बना पाओगे?
यस।
मैं आपको एक सेंटेंस देती हूँ। मैं खेलती हूँ।
मैं खेलता हूँ। यस। माय सेंटेंसेस मैं खेलता हूँ। लेट्स मेक 100 सेंटेंसेस। I play, I do not play, do I play, do I not play, when do I play, when do I not play, I am playing, I am not playing, am I playing, am I not playing, where am I playing, where am I not playing, I have played, I have not played, have I played, have I not played, why have I played, why have I not played, I have been playing since morning, I have not been playing since morning, have I been playing since morning, have I not been playing since morning, when have I been playing since morning, when have I not been playing since morning, I played, I did not play, did I play, did I not play, when did I play, when did I not play, I was playing, I was not playing, was I playing, was I not playing, where was I playing, where was I not playing, I had played, I had not played, had I played, had I not played, how had I played, how had I not played, I had been playing since morning, I had not been playing since morning, had I been playing since morning, had I not been playing since morning, when had I been playing since morning, when had I not been playing since morning, I will play, I will not play, will I play, will I not play, when will I play, when will I not play, I will be playing, I will not be playing, will I be playing, will I not be playing, where will I be playing, where will I not be playing, I will have played, I will not have played, will I have played, will I not have played, where will I have played, where will I not have played, I will have been playing since morning, I will not have been playing since morning, will I have been playing since morning, will I not have been playing since morning, when will I have been playing since morning, when will I not have been playing since morning, I want to play, I do not want to play, do I want to play, do I not want to play, where do I want to play, where do I not want to play, I wanted to play, I did not want to play, did I want to play, did I not want to play, why did I want to play, why did I not want to play, I have to play, I do not have to play, do I have to play, do I not have to play, when do I have to play, when do I not have to play, I had to play, I did not have to play, did I have to play, did I not have to play, when did I have to play, when did I not have to play, I will have to play, I will not have to play, will I have to play, will I not have to play, where will I have to play, where will I not have to play. Thank you for listening me.